Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Instagram backup codes. Backup codes allow you to go and recover your Instagram account. So what you need to do is firstly open the Instagram application, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap on these three bars in the top right corner and your settings and activity will open up. Then go and open the account center like so, and you need to go into account settings and find password and security. Tap on it. So backup codes come under two-factor authentications. So click on there. Choose your Instagram account you want this for to get backup codes. You do need to have two-factor authentication enabled. So quickly do this now with an authentication app and it will given a key here, and then what we need to do is go and open up an authenticator app. I am using Google Authenticator and I will enter the key here, and we now have enabled it. And then to go and get your backup codes, click on this next, enter the code here, tap on next, and then you will go into the option for backup codes, and now go into this additional method and tap on this backup codes, and you will go into the option for backup codes, and here are all your backup codes. So it says save your backup codes in a safe place. Without these you may not be able to go and log into your account if you lose access to your phone or can't log in using your security method. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.